you know, and some people may see this, some people may see that. I don't know how. I feel like I'm just being swept away in a tsunami of information every day. I want, if we can kind of come together and be a community where we can take a look at certain issues and, you know, have enough time to really explore them, then I'll feel like I'm doing a good job. If I can sort of help people aggregate and sort of cut through the clutter and hear the important things that they really need to know and provide a framework for that, then I'll feel like I'm really serving people in a way, as corny as that sounds.
Well, I think you are really showing how willing you are to interview and be interested in the lives of everyday women by being here today. I think it's a fantastic compliment to this community. And for years, for 8 years now, we've asked you all who you wanted to see, who you wanted to hear from. And you've been at the top of that list for 8 years.